Oh, hey, what it do? It's your girl Miss Vicky, and I am back at it again with another video. And today I'm going to be presenting to you all this warm neutral eyeshadow tutorial. So if you're interested and you want to see how I do this, then just keep on watching and stay tuned. I'm going to show you everything step by step. Yeah. So let's just go ahead and get right on into it, okay? Are you ready? Because I am ready. Ready? Let's go! Oh, hey. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. And if you haven't joined the VickGlampShous squad already, like what you waiting for, okay, hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. It's in the shade Almond, and I will also have everything listed in the description box below that I'm using, okay? And then I just use that double-ended brush that I use to pat on my concealer. I'm just gonna tap this all over my entire lid there, right in this shape, okay? And right here, I'm also going to sweep some of that concealer in a circular motion, just like I am right there in my inner tear duct area, because I'm going to place some eyeshadow in those areas as well, okay? So we can have everything nice popping and just, yes, boo-boo. All right, so now I'm going in with my Violet Voss Coral Crush palette, and I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to use, okay? Very pretty palette. I got this out of my BoxyCharm pop-up, so I'm going to use this color. That one's called Sunshine. Ooh, remember the Titan? Sunshine. Okay, and I'm going to use that little fluffy eyeshadow brush there, and I'm going to apply this at the very top, right below my eye. This is going to be below my eyebrow, and this is I'm gonna use this as my transition color. And all I'm gonna do is just like build it up. So build it up, blend, baby, blend. Alright, so we got that nice and blended up there. That's our transition color. And I'm going to go in with a new double-ended eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be utilizing the fluffy side right there. And I'm going to dive into my second color, and this is called Reef. Girl, I'm not using the fluffy side. I'm using the flat side, okay? And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply this all over on the second half of my eyelid, not the entire lid, okay? So the second half over there towards the end. I'm just gonna blend this into my first color up there, okay? So you want it to look nice, seamless, and blended, so it can look like, you know, everything is intertwined and whatnot with each other. And like I always say, blend, baby, blend. Blending is key. Blending is key. All right, and I'm just building this up. Alright, so I'm getting ready to go in with my third color. I'm going to go back in with that concealer brush there. And I am just going to pat down the concealer over that side where I have not applied any eyeshadow, just to make sure it's nice and flat and that there's no creases in that area prior to me moving on to the next color, okay? Because we want everything to look nice, seamless, boo-boo, okay? So then I'm going in once again with my flat, fluffy eyeshadow brush and this little dancing, you know what I'm saying, there. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with this color called Pina Colada. It's just a white eyeshadow there, and I'm just going to apply that in my inner corner right there on the other side where I have not applied that concealer. Okay, so you're going to blend that in within the other colors as well, and just once again make sure everything is nice, seamless, and blended. Like, that's the key. Once you got that down pack, you are good. Okay. Alright, so now that that's done, what I'm going to do now is just actually go back in and just apply those same colors once again to make sure everything is nice, popping and pigmented. Because sometimes when I go in and blend, like, some of the colors get a little faded from blending, from swiping the brush back and forth. So what I'm just doing, going back in and applying those same colors right back onto each other to make sure that the color is still popping, okay? So yeah. Alright, so in this next few video segments, I'm just gonna show you how I'm just like constantly going back in and forth and blending. And I promise you, like in real life, like after a while, I mean, like it really does not take me this long, but I want to slow the video down and show y'all exactly how I obtain this look. So yeah, so this next few segments, you're gonna see me constantly going back in, back and forth, blending. All right, so I'm just gonna let y'all watch.
Vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás. Y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo te quiero pasarla. Mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Desde que te vi, buscaba una así. Y por fin te conseguí.
Okay, so after all that blending, I'm going to go into this shimmery gold color. It's called Shore, And I'm just going to apply this over the outer half of my eyelid over there. Right there. I'm just going to place that right on top.
Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero pasarla, mamacita, vámonos de fiesta. Y ahora en mi corazón tú estás y ya no quiero a nadie más. Contigo bien quiero.
Alright, so now I'm going in with my Natasha Denona. I be talking so fast. I'm just going to use that darker shade up there, just to give some definition up in my crease.
Desde que te vi, buscaba una así y por fin te conseguí.
Alright, so now I am diving into my Revlon Color Stay eyeliner. This is in the color black. And I'm just going to line my waterline. Oh, girl, I couldn't blink. Had to keep them eyes still. Alright, so now I'm going to grab my favorite highlighter. This is the Zova highlighter right here. This is in the color Unbelievable. And I'm just going to grab my little circular little brush I got right there. I'm just going to use that to swirl this highlighter in my inner tear duct. So now I'm going in with my Revlon Color Stay Wing Liquid Eyeliner. Remember, everything that I use will be included in the description box below with a link to purchase if you would like. So yeah, I'm just winging this out, taking my time. So next, I'm now going in with my Bare Minerals mascara. Okay, so now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild eyeliner right here, and I'm just gonna be like drawing this random design that I'm gonna let y'all all watch. Okay, I would just like let my creativities, you know what I'm saying, just like manifest itself. So yeah. Alright, so after I finished my creation, what I did, I went and got an eyeshadow brush. And I just like patted over my little creation to kind of feather it down and make it blend in alongside with the eyeshadow. And that brush also had a little bit of my some eyeshadow left on there. So yeah. Alright, so now I'm going right below that tear duct right there, and I'm just applying my dots. Alright, so now I'm going to dip back into that color right there. I forgot what it was. And I'm just going to sweep it underneath my my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take these two colors here called Peony and what is that? Yeah, Charmed. I'm taking those two colors. I'm going to just mix them together and use them as my blush color. That is the completed look, the final look. And if you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more from me. And let me know like what else you want to see. Alright, so thank you all so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in, and if the Lord is willing, then I'll see you all in the next one. Okay, yeah.